I'll be waiting for you on the dark side of the moon. And if you happen to get there before me.
Hey you guys, so today I'm here to show you a new synthetic wig. This wig was sent to me by So Good Bobbi. You can find them online at www.sogoodbb.com. I know we all used to call it So Good Shop, but it's not actually at So Good Shop. It's actually at So Good Bobbi. So I will be changing that language from here on out. Enough of chit chat though. I know you guys came to see the wig, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright you guys, before we get started though, I need you to do one thing, and I'm pretty sure you already know what that is. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because you know I got that fire. Every time you go into the beauty supply store, you want to buy a wig, just type in JessTheDragoness. I promise you, I got a review on the wig, girl. I'm going to give you the tea before you spend your coin. Alright, so today's wig is by Bobbi Boss, and this one is their Zendaya wig, and I do have it in the color TT4/1824, which I think is like a dusty rose or a dusty pink. And yeah, this wig is actually reminding me of the Outre wig. What was it called? Marie? I think it was called Outre Marie. So we may be doing a little bit of a comparison between the two of those wigs today. So this is what she's looking like straight out the pack. And here is her stock card. So already I can see she's made just like Marie. Seriously, you guys, she has the baby hairs on the edge. She has that folded over lace section right there. No lace to cut. You do get your ear tabs on the side, but yeah. Well, it's different from Marie because she actually does have a lace part. Marie was like that thicker silk top. So this is a little better of a construction, but you're still gonna have a hard time having her lay flat because of this folded over lace right here. And this unit does have the adjustable straps, but she has no combs anywhere. Scary. But the color is really cute. I wouldn't call it a dusty pink. I would say it's more of a light salmon. It has a lot of orange in it, more so than pinks and reds. To me, it shifts more to an orange shade. If you're curious about the unit that I am rocking right now, I do have a review on my channel of this unit, and I'll leave a link here where you could go ahead and click it and check it out. But make sure you finish watching this video first. Alright you guys, so this is what the unit is looking like. It reminds me so much of Outre Marie, I'm telling you. And I know that wig was really popular because of the style, the color options, and because of the price point. So I'm going to see if this unit is comparable in terms of the price point, and then I'm going to come back and let you guys know my final thoughts. Alright you guys, so I just looked on my phone, and on the site it says that it's on sale right now for $29. So yeah, I remember the Marie wig was definitely in the $20 range as well, but I know that it was a lower $20 amount than that. I can't remember exactly what it was. So yeah, I think this is really cute, and it's definitely an upgrade from that wig because you do get an actual lace part area, you know, that's not like that faux lace part. It's like a real lace part, so that was a good upgrade. You don't have to cut any lace off of this unit, so for my ladies who are wary of that, that's cool. I think she's definitely cute, nothing revolutionary. The color I've never seen before, and I think it's absolutely stunning. So that's definitely a plus for this unit. Am I jumping for joy over it? It's cute. I definitely like it. And if you're looking for an upgrade from your Marie unit, then this is definitely that option. So the only thing I will say is this unit is very small. You see how it's already pulling back from my forehead. And I feel like the place where the lace where the ear tabs are hitting me is very like far back, and it just keeps sliding back. And this unit doesn't have any combs to keep it forward. So I do think that that's slightly annoying about this unit. But other than that, I think the unit is definitely cute. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Make sure you check out SoGoodBB.com. And yes, see all the ways that they have to offer, and I will leave a link to this one as well. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Make sure you're subscribed and you turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload, and make sure you stay tuned to my channel for a few more videos, because you know you want to know about these wigs, girls. Come on, come on, just stick around, watch another one. All right, you guys, stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.
Now you be the only one I see.